Jenny got this at a store here in Fort Walton. What's the store name?
I don't know. You expect me to know this?
Anyway, it's a store. It is a necklace, and it looks like you take out this little clam, has a pearl
It's a
in there. Mollusk. And you take that pearl out that's in there. It's one of these colors, right?
Yeah.
It's either going to be white, cream, peach, purple, or black. You take that and put it in this little pendant. So let's unbox it. Oh, and then this is her month on the side here. I mean, your what?
My horoscope.
Her horoscope. What's it called? What kind of sign?
Zodiac sign.
Zodiac sign. So Jesse's got one.
Mine's Jan's because they do.
What's your thing? Sagittarius?
No, mine. This one's Aquarius because that's Jan's.
Just
They didn't
gonna
have
have a
mine. I'm
paper
Libra.
towel.
What? Need a paper towel.
Oops.
Alright, we got a paper towel. Okay. So you pulled it out, and then we got this thing that's in the box. A box. It's like a little tuna can. Put it on here. There we
I
go.
gotta open it, and I don't want it to get everywhere.
It makes two of us.
I don't want to touch it.
Ooh.
Let's get it out because I don't want to touch
Jenny,
it
are you
either.
touching it with your hands?
She's about to. Okay, so that's a
Get
mollusk,
out.
which is a clam.
Oh,
Oh no.
it's too wide to come out.
Uh-oh. Well, they got it in there.
Okay.
She did it.
How'd you get yours out?
And wiggled it, pried it out.
We gotta jam it in a spot. Aha!
Got it. Twist it. Probably twist it. Put the little thing in there and twist the little blue thing when you put it in.
That'll help me.
Me? Oh my god, that's happening.
It's snapping apart in my hands.
Put that in there and twist it.
Dad, I can't get it. Oh.
Right in Jenny's face.
Jenny, can you pause really quick? Please.
No. Oh my god. She got it.
Aha!
Oh, what is it?
It's the white one, which is for wisdom.
White.
It's not even a circle.
You cracked it.
There it is.
It's okay. I don't mind that you.
White for wisdom.
It doesn't matter. It's okay.
Now you gotta put it in the pendant, huh?
Dad, please help me.
Okay, hold on. She gotta put it in the pendant.
Which one did she
Tell me
get?
what,
Which one?
getting it out?
I got the white one.
Yeah, I can't even get it out.
It's the
Alright, Jen.
opposite of the black pearl.
Let's get out the pendant
Hold on.
so you can pop it in the pendant. Where do you put it in? Between his legs?
I think
Yes, that's
so.
kind of weird. What? Sure it's high-grade jewelry.
Was it still alive?
How do I open it?
I don't know.
Do you open?
I don't think so.
Oh, you put it inside it like its belly?
Yeah, here,
Oh,
want to
I
hold,
see.
hold the pearl?
Goodness, it's huge.
It's a pretty
You
big
wanna
one.
look at it?
It's a huge pearl. Oh
I don't know how to open this.
Let me try. Is there a hinge
Yeah.
at the bottom?
Hey.
Do his legs hinge?
We have
See the hinge on his two front legs?
Yeah, there's a hinge there.
So
And,
it must open from the top down.
oh, okay,
There
I
we go.
see.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Jenny, let me see if it's the same color.
Take that off.
Goodness, no, they're not.
Mine's the peach one. I get health
You need it.
or cream for success.
Oh boy.
Or is it peach or is it? Jenny's is wisdom. I think mine's the cream one.
Almost looks like
Surprised mine
silver.
fit in there.
So I think it's the cream.
What color did you
It's
get?
either
Jeff?
success
There.
or health. I can't tell if it's peach or cream.
Or silver?
There's not even a silver option.
There, it's in
There
there.
should be. Okay, it's in his belly. That's your zodiac sign.
That's my zodiac sign.
Alright, put it on so you can see the final product. Ew. I saw that. Oh my gosh, I think I got it on camera. Ew. Ew. Jenny, put it on your neck. Oh, there's your ear. Jess, do you have yours around your neck already? Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna put mine on me.
Yeah. Beautiful. Pearls right in this rib cage.
Yep.
Good job, Jen. This little shell paper thing that says, "People make wishes while God creates pearls. May your special wish always be granted." And she got wisdom.
Yeah.
Jessie got health.